As you guys are doing your similar triangles worksheet, here's what I'd like you to do for your work. For instance, on the first one, it talks about a tree that's 24 feet tall that casts the shadow 12 feet long. They said Brad is 6 feet tall. They want to know how long is Brad's shadow. So the first thing I want you to do is on each of these problems, I want you to make a sketch. So for this first one, they talked about the tree. Now you don't have to actually make a tree, but draw a little tree there. They said that the tree is 24 feet tall, and we assume since they're measuring the height, it's straight up and down. So it's 24 feet tall. It has a shadow that's 12 feet long. So remember, our shadow would be along the ground. But then we also have Brad, and Brad is 6 feet tall. And they would know how long Brad's shadow is. So give me a sketch, give me figures to work with. From there, we want to try to figure out what X is. Now, these two triangles are similar because if we think about them being right triangles, we have that situation. Plus, if we think about the angle of the sun is going to be the same in both cases. So we have an angle-angle situation. But once I know that these are similar, I can set up my proportion. So my proportion would be X over 12, possibly. That's the missing side here, and its corresponding side is equal to 6 over 24. And then I can solve my equation from there. So in this case, once I cross multiply and I divide, I'm going to find out that his shadow is 3 feet long. So for each of those problems, unless they happen to have given you a picture, like on number 4, they give you a picture, but if they don't give you a picture, make sure you make a picture on there, draw me a diagram, and then also include the work on that. Okay, so make sure you show all those steps as you're working through the worksheet.